Hey guys, it's Erika. We are going to be checking out KANGTA. This is an SM station. KANGTA or cough syrup. I'm pretty sure this is a song that he performed live for that SM Town Free concert, like Cultural Humanity concert. I watched that on New Year's because it was still New Year's. Went through the entire change of the New Year while the concert was happening, and I really love this song. I really like it. I'm in love with it. I think it's great, and I'm excited to be checking out this SM station for it. This little music video that they did provide us. They didn't have to. I really didn't think we were gonna get one. I thought it was just gonna be like a single drop, but no, they dropped the music video for it too, and I get to react to it. So I already heard this song before. I already heard it live because he performed it during the concert. But yes, I'm excited. So with it, let go. Oh, that was cool special effects, editing. Oh. You cannot tell me vibes are not immaculate. Oh, he having a luncheon. Waffles though. I want waffles. Got some orange Kool-Aid. Oh, I just love this song. That's a cool shot. I like that. I don't know what's happening though. We're at a table, people with umbrellas. Ooh, nice. Ooh, fun lights. Oh, we just zoom out. Okay, he was going around in a circle, but I like the lighting though. They're playing with it, and they are on this stage, so they can play with fun lighting like that. Gorgeous lighting there. Look at him. He just lit so well. I like weird stuff like that. Nice transition. My girl's fro is on fleek. Let me just say that. I'm loving it. The extras fro. I wasn't even expecting the sound for KANGTA either, so it's really dope to get it. I like it. Ooh, that was gorgeous. And that was just changing lighting. SM Entertainment. Loved it. I really enjoyed it. I think it's great. I love the song. Again, I've heard it live before. I loved it when it was being performed live. I thought it was fantastic and amazing. He's an amazing vocalist. It ain't his first rodeo at all, but I really love the sound. I think it's really, really dope. It's really cool. The video was really cool too. I like how it was shot. There's parallels between him and the extras and whatnot, and it was really cool, well shot. They use that I've seen that location a million times in videos. It's a popular one, but they really used it really, really well and really cool. And I like how they used how they played with that like stage lighting, because you rent out this location and you have these really cool lights in here that you can play with, and then they did some really cool stuff there too. I like the video. I think it accompanied the song really well. So yes, I loved it. Go and put your thoughts in the comments down below what you thought about KANGTA's cough syrup. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you liked me and want to see more of my videos, go and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see my videos the second they come out, hit that notification button. If you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, or on the description down below or at the end screen, share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.